Hello everyone, welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. On this channel, we learn thermal engineering and instrumentation concepts in a simple, clear, and practical way. In previous videos, we learned about temperature indicator, temperature controller, and data logger. Today's next important topic is temperature scanner. This instrument is mainly used when many temperature points are involved. Let's start from the basics. What is a temperature scanner? A temperature scanner is an instrument used to measure and display temperature from multiple points using one single device. It can scan many RTDs or many thermocouples one by one and show their temperature values. In simple words, temperature scanner is equal to multipoint temperature indicator. Why temperature scanner is needed? In many industrial processes, temperature must be monitored at many locations. Using separate indicators is costly. Panel space becomes large. Wiring becomes complex. A temperature scanner reduces number of instruments, saves panel space, reduces wiring, lowers overall cost. That is why scanners are widely used. Simple practical example. Consider a furnace with 12 heating zones. Each zone has one temperature sensor. Using 12 indicators is not practical. A temperature scanner connects all 12 sensors, scans them sequentially, displays each temperature. This gives a complete temperature profile. Working principle. Let's understand the working step by step. Multiple RTDs or thermocouples are connected to scanner inputs. An internal multiplexer selects one channel. The signal is processed and converted. Temperature value is displayed. Scanner automatically switches to next channel. This scanning happens continuously, very fast, in a fixed order. Name parts of a temperature scanner. A temperature scanner mainly consists of input channels, multiple sensor inputs, multiplexer circuit, channel selection, signal conditioning, microprocessor, digital display, power supply. Advanced scanners may also have alarm relays, communication ports, Rs 485 Modbus. Types of temperature scanners. First, panel-mounted temperature scanner installed in control panels, used in furnaces and ovens. Second, field-mounted temperature scanner installed near process, rugged enclosure. Third, digital temperature scanner, microprocessor-based, high accuracy, clear display. Fourth, scanner with communication, can connect to PLC or SCADA, used in automation systems. Industrial applications. Temperature scanners are used in furnaces and kilns, boilers with multiple zones, heat exchangers, reactors, power plants. They help operators monitor temperature distribution, detect hot spots, maintain safety. Advantages. One instrument for many sensors. Cost-effective. Less wiring. Saves panel space. Easy monitoring. Limitations. Mainly for indication only. No direct control. Small delay due to scanning time. Summary. Let's summarize. Temperature scanner measures multiple temperatures. Works with RTD or thermocouple. Uses scanning technique. Ideal for multi-point monitoring. Temperature scanners are very useful when many temperature points are involved. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.